Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets step by step. This feature helps you quickly clean up your data by removing repeated entries while keeping only unique values. So let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets spreadsheet. Next, select the range of cells that contains the data you want to clean up. If you want to check the entire table, simply highlight all the data, including the column headers. Once your data is selected, click on Data in the top menu. From the drop-down menu, select Data Cleanup. Then click Remove Duplicates. A dialog box will appear showing the selected data range. If your data includes headers, make sure the option Data Has Header Row is checked. Now, click Remove Duplicates. Google Sheets will scan the selected range and remove any duplicate rows. After the process is complete, a message will appear showing how many duplicate rows were removed and how many unique rows remain. Click OK to close the message. You can now review your data and confirm that the duplicate entries have been removed. This feature is especially useful when working with contact lists, inventory records, reports, survey responses, and other large datasets. And that's it. You've successfully removed duplicates in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.